March ni somni panga sang ni somni parukan hey breaking news sa tlat mai ni tinalok hanin Iran lampang chuanin United States aircraft carrier long lian tak jet fighter te po phur theian tum theina ang chi kha USS Abraham Lincoln ha kan kap fu anron tia US lampang in anron riek ve bokani hemi news si kan riek chan main he kan en haula kang
St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School chuan kum sang ni somni paruka tanga sang ni somni pasari academic sessionatan class 9 atanga class 12 arts admission kan hongle ta e kan zirlai te talent ho chuanan co-curricular activities strong school sport field trip picnic excursion teachers day le adang te ro pui taka man pui thinan ni experienced teacher ten pathian thune na no pangan zirtirna le an kai hoina skula hian admission ron ti vero le
St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School admission in lo di theu don he phone number nan tar so himo ole tuna chonin kan react chanang he news a hi first post hianin anron uploada ti chonin APT ti hian upload boka ti chonin wayan po hianin upload ani amaro chu first post ami hi kan react ang.
Now, despite talk of an American ceasefire plan, the conflict in West Asia is still continuing.
America lampang hianin ka haipon an duwa maro chu hetianga Trump atepon enge kanin bemek anti lai hianin Iran lampang chonin an be char ti kha hriat ve turani.
Iran has warned of a stronger response if its infrastructure is further targeted. Iran's new military advisor, Mohsen Rezai, has delivered a warning to Washington.
Hey Iran military advisor thar ani ama ai khanin aswal mai thayani ama mi te kha chu zia tak ani tin news tam tak hianin an report le hala apui chho khobang tuna po hianin US hena hianin warning a pe ani an military advisor thar hian.
He suggested that time is running out to avoid a wider escalation. His remarks come as
hun kan nei tlem to ani lo chuanin hey ai na se zo hianin indo na in beina a thengang atiani
rhetoric between the two sides continues to intensify. In fact, Iran claims it launched a cruise missile towards the American warship USS.
Hey, Iran lampang hianin an Iran sipai te hianin cruise missile hi USS Abraham Lincoln aircraft carrier cruise missile mangin kan kap ani antiani carried by the state television hi an mani state media an post ani an puang ani
Says Abraham Lincoln just hours ago. Well, there's been no immediate confirmation of this or response from US officials.
Hey, US lampang hianin anron hepa hi chuanin an laron confirm law te amaro chu statement chun pe suak to United States lampang chuan hi Iran lampang hianin kan kap antia an kap fu nge fulo ero kha chu hriat alani chuang lawa tin lo kap fu ta se United States lampang hianin an pom du kherangem ti po kha kami kha zona om theiani ta achan chu United States lampang te chuanin kap Iran hianin an kap fu anga enge news omvel kha an du don lo hrim an aircraft carrier hi ka fu thei anilo a defense thalutuk khatiang zonga news om char kha America lampang te chonin an du dan ani don ti kha shir reng turani achan chu khovel pumpui hmuwa etianga Iran ina US aircraft carrier an kap fu le ani ngai chuanin America tan po amwal pho thei na kha a omveni achan chu indo heta anima saper changa tumun thleng hianin United States lampang chuanin Iran missile ka chua theina te an missile da thatna munte kan ti chiat sak de vek to ti chiat belle tur chuang po om to lo tiang hanin news hanin an puang na sa to ani khatianga an puan vak to nuwa hetianga Iran lampangina cruise missile manga an lo kap fule ani khachuanin United States tan po khanin aza thak theina kha a om vedona amaro chu hi Iran tan chuanin an kap fu tak ani ngai chuanin an inti thei pui na sa don lo to kani he thil hi.
He also warned of an escalation in Iran's response, making it clear that any action against Tehran would be met with far more severe consequences.
Tehran, Iran, an bei hrimania, Lebanon, civil media an bei hrimania chuanin, Iran hianin puba ala zel don ti hi. Iran lampang thusuak ani, apui le mai.
If you attack the infrastructure of the Islamic Republic of Iran, our response will no longer be an eye for an eye, but rather a head for an eye. We will paralyze you and drown you in the Gulf.
Hey, an senior military advisor tharina a statement siamani. Apui le mai. If you attack the Irana kan infrastructure poimo tak te hi inron be ani chuanin kan ron chan le dan tur cheu chu mit aya mit ani to don lo. mit aya lu ni to don ti ni pui le mai hi USS Abraham Lincoln warning and pek na ngai the ni.
He also accused Israel of drawing the United States into the conflict, claiming Washington had been misled by the idea of a greater Israel, a contested concept referring to an expanded Israeli territory.
Oh, hey, taka hi greater Israel hi tunai hianin soya hlokop maya Israel hianin ram hi lakbil adu ani ting hianin mitam tak hianin an soya news tam tak pon an report ani Iran lampang po hianin tunai hianin he indo na hi Israel indo na ani ya US hi bum thukin an oma chu fan chuanin US indo na ni mi lo le antel la tur ni mi lo hi Israel lampang ina an bum ne ma wang hian he hianin United States te hi antel ani an ron tel ve ani achan chu Israel te hianin Greater Israel Project hi an ne ya heta hianin Middle East ram tam tak hi lakbel an du ani he Greater Israel Project hi a hlo tlingani ngai chuanin khovel to phakan hnai le sot don ti na anga nia hi an mani Israel Zionist anti del kherila Jews no mama ro chu tuna ro relai sarkar Benjamin Netanyahu te hi chu Zionist si an ni zok ani tin news sam tak chu an report a heng Zionist so hi nationalist ril ru puang chi kha khatiang kha an nia sa khuana lama po nei vati thu tak san lo kami aya chuanin nationalist deuh angril ru kha an pu ani he hianin Greater Israel Project hi an mathirani no he Iran lampang po hianin United States hi anron ria ani
beyond its current borders and now finds itself caught between its own military leadership and its allies. Iran has also hardened its position on ending the war. Officials say the conflict will continue until sanctions are lifted, damages are compensated for, and guarantees are provided against future attacks. Tehran has
United States lampang hianin inka hai pona ni theina turatan demand an nei ve a hi Pakistan lampang hianin Iran hi an varil hretoa news a mek toa tuna hianin Iran lampang chuanin inka hai pona ni don chuan sanction zong hi ti to bek anianga chumi nuwa Israel le United States ina kan ram chunga infrastructure tam tak an bom chiat hi hengte hi anti chiat zong siam thatna tur poisa min peleanga te ni hi Iran du dan chuanin Iran du dan poimo le de pakhat chu voikhat ma Israel le United States te hianin Iran hi an ron be to lawang ti hi hi ani hatiang ani lo kha chuanin Iran lampang hianin in ka hai pon hi an du big mi lo ani mo chuanin United States a sanction hi arab thak khop maya when news pakhat ka hmuwa kha chuanin mi pakhat judge pakhat hi ami malangin sanction an lo pe ani ti chuanin mi pakhat sanction an lo pe kha United States in a sanction an lo pe kha pa khanin United States le atho pui zong te thil siam software te poisa pek na te thil cha thei na te online na thil cha thei na te khang ang zong kha ama khan engma amang thei to mi lo ani kha patan khanin engkim kha an block sak vek an United States te khan mo chu United States ina mi malanga sanction an pe ka ni ta rap thak khop mai tro khatiang khanin tuna po United States hianin Iran hi sanction a pe ani hei wang hianin Iran economy hi a chiat pha reng boka a chiat sanction a pe ka wangin Iran economy a chia Iran economy a chiat a wangin Iranian tam tak in hei na te an nei lawa thilman te atawa khang wanghanin an lung oi lawa an ro relai sarkar laka te po khanin teng hanin an hel ani mo khatiang kha sanction na thoda da ne arab thak khop mai ete sanction kan han ti ringot ang ai hianin arab thak da yani consequence hi mo
has further demanded assurances against US interference in its internal affairs. On Monday, President Donald Trump signaled a possible diplomatic opening. He said the United States and Iran have held useful conversations.
Hey te po hi Trump hianin Iran te kan in bia tia video masalama ni zan lama te enge he tianga kan in bia ti ringot na chan hi ninga chung huna in pek bela kan tia ti chuanin atuna hianin sipai tam tak Middle East lama atilu don ti hekan retoa hemi ninga hun chung hianin anin buat sai ve win rin ma ti chuanin Trump na hatianga Iran te nen hianin kan in bemeka hatianga aron ti thut kha stock market an hon madar kar khatvela khanin hatiang khanin aron puang thut ani hatianga Trump na apon thut na chan chu market an hon roll khanin oil man sang lutuk tur ve nan khan Trump pakhan kha tiang khan thuron soya oil man kha sang tawak lo khanin oil man kha atlan hiam mo khami kha Trump pa hianin a thu dik tok lo le thu dik fam kim chia lo mang hianin e market thil man sang lutuk tur te khang teng te po kha a control atum ni news tam tak chon an report a ka kha thil ani theina lai om ve thawani mo ole khang te kha ani ti chuanin US lampang hianin tiang hianin an ron soi vele ta thonga US Central Command chuanin Israel ati Iran sipai te hianin dot an soi ani USS Abraham Lincoln hi an kap thiangin an soi hi thudik lawani ama po khan he tiang hianin thu an lo thedar vak towa ka po kha dot ani an ti ni US Central Command CENTCOM chuanin ama po khanin Iran lampang te hianin hemi USS Abraham Lincoln hi kan ti chevek to an tia tuna po hian he kan ti cheto an ron tilea hetianga dot angai soi hi thil athak tak ani tia zo hianin US Central Command lampang hianin an ron soi vele thung ani amaro chu Iran lampang hian kan kap fu anti ve boxia hoi zo nge oi lo tur po ka thiam to chi lo tu na chon frank de chon mo information war hi na sa Fox News te khatiang chi Trump pat chan deu ang chi ho kha chuanin khatiang hianin US Central Command ina an thu so hi an post dar choi do da amaro chu neutral deu wa thu puang train he chuanin thil ni na ang tak khan han an ron post vele maya tiang kha thil om zia ni ha le khati zong kha tun trum ata na kan riek thei chu ni se an kap fu mo anin kap fu lo mo eng pon ni se poi mo bera chuanin India pana oil te gas te phur lo ang chi te ro hi chu Strait of Hormuz se an ron pal tang ve zel hei India tan chuanin a tha khop mai ti kha ami khanin khara nge video hi video len mole theu da nia